ground beneath my knees. The cold earth hums like something near, but all I've got to hold is fear. Echoes call from the valley deep, where sinners lie but never sleep. I walk this path till morning light, but darkness always wins the fight. Stands its windows cracked. The memories there ain't coming back. The door still swings, the fire still glows, but no one left inside it knows. My shadow moves when I stand still. It knows the shape of every kill. If heaven's real, it's out of sight for those who live in endless night. So bury me where echoes fall. No preacher's word, no angel's call. Let silence be my final song in the hollow where I belong. Desert wind cuts through my coat. I'm dragging chains of what I wrote. Old letters burn inside my chest, a love that died and won't find rest. Dust and bones, that's all I own. No home to run, no heart too long. The graveyard hums a lullaby while ghosts of love just pass me by. My boots are cracked, my eyes are dry. Every rose a goodbye sky. I lost my faith in God's good grace. I found the devil's face in place. from far away, like bells that cry but never pray. The wind reminds me what I've lost. Salvation's road was never crossed. Dust settles on this heart of mine, buried deep beneath the sign. It reads, he tried, he fell, he paid his due. Now dust and bones are all that's true.
Grows on the fence, watch me kneel. They know the pain that I conceal. The preacher's gone, the church is cold. My story's carved in sins of old. Rose of redemption, black as coal. Circle above my guilty soul. Heaven's gate won't let me through, then hell's the only road I knew. I lay my gun upon the stone. Across the wood I call my own. The wind is low, the earth is still, and I make peace with what I kill. The sky turns red, the day grows thin. I feel the weight of what I've been. The crows don't judge, they just remain my final friends in endless pain. When the night takes hold of me and the dust hides all I see, let the crows sing soft and true. They'll carry me away from you. Smoke on the river, fire in my veins. I keep on driving serpent, cold and wild. It calls my name like a restless child. Down the devil's mile I ride, no truth to hold, no place to hide. My hands still shake, my heart's defiled, but I keep going that extra mile. Lies behind me fade to dust. I've burned through love, I've broken trust. Each sign I pass it, turn around. But I'm too deep to hear the sound. I see the fire in my rearview glass, 1,000 sins I can't surpass. If hell's the end, then so it be. The devil's mile was made for me. Yeah! Engines fade and tires cry, a lonely road beneath the sky. The devil smiles, I understand. My soul's a toll, he shakes my hand. Desert wind cuts through my coat. I'm dragging chains of what I wrote. Old letters burn inside my chest. A love that died and won't find rest. Dust and bones, that's all I own. No home to run, no heart to loan. The graveyard hums a lullaby, while ghosts of love just pass me by. Cracked, my eyes are dry. Every road's a goodbye sky. I lost my faith in God's good grace. I found the devil's face in place. I hear a song from far away, like bells that cry but never play. The wind reminds me what I've lost.
dust settles on this heart of mine, buried deep beneath the sign. It retried, he fell, he paid his due. Now dust and bones are all that's true. I drink my graveyard whiskey under a blood-red moon. The stars look like old bullet holes that time forgot too soon. My hands still smell of powder, my past still burns my skin. I talk to ghosts beside the fire. They know the man I've been. Oh Lord, don't you hear me cry? I'm too far gone to pray goodbye. The wind keeps calling my name tonight, down this road where angels die. The preacher said you can't go back, but I ain't got no home. Every mile just fades to black, and I still ride alone. Crows circle high above the plain. They sing like thunder in my brain. If mercy comes, it's running late. I'll meet my end at heaven's gate. So pour one more for the lost and damned. Let the fire burn where I still stand. This graveyard whiskey tastes like sin, but it's the only truth I'm living in. Riding slow through endless gray. Every town just fades away. The sky is torn the stars are few, and I still chase the ghost of you. Blood on the saddle, tears on the ground. Every soul I lost still hanging around. The night won't fade, the dawn won't bloom. I'm buried alive beneath the moon. Your name still burns on the chapel wall, a prayer unanswered after all. I tried to ride from what I've done, but every trail just meets the sun. If love could heal, I'd turn around, but mercy's gone, it can't be found. This saddle stain, this heart's untrue, and all I see out there is you. Let the moon be my last friend. It saw me break, it saw my end. Blood and shadow mark my tomb beneath the cold and dying moon. I drink my graveyard whiskey under a blood-red moon. Stars look like old bullet holes that time forgot too soon. My hands still smell of powder, my past still burns my skin. I talk to ghosts beside the fire, they know the man I've been. Oh Lord, don't you hear me cry? I'm too far gone to pray goodbye. The wind keeps calling my name tonight down this road where angels die. Preacher said you can't go back, but I ain't got no home. Every mile just fades to black, and I still ride alone. Crows circle high above the plain, they sing like thunder in my brain. Comes it running late, I'll meet my end at heaven's gate. So pour one more for the lost and damned. Let the fire burn where I still stand. This graveyard whiskey tastes like sin, but it's the only truth I'm living in.